नमस्कार दोस्तों, पूजन टूट माँ को स्वागत है। मैं आर के सर आज आपके लिए राजस्थान हाई कोर्ट RSMSSB स्टेनो एग्जाम 2020 के लिए स्पीड 100 की डिक्टेशन लेकर आया हूँ। और साथियों, राजस्थान हाई कोर्ट में स्टेनो की स्पीड होगी 80 और RSMSSB में होगी 100 की स्पीड। तो साथियों, इनको बीच में रखते हुए मैं 100 की स्पीड से दोनों डिक्टेशन लेकर आया हूँ। और साथियों, अब चैनल पर नए हो तो इसको सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो और कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना। तो रेडी हो, स्टार्ट। मिस्टर चेयरमैन, आई बेग टू मूव दैट दिस हाउस अप्रूव्स द प्रोक्लेमेशन issued by the President on the 5th November 2004 under clause of Article 356 of the Constitution, assuming to him all the functions of the government of Andhra. Para. Sir, the House is fully familiar with both the background and the actual facts which led the President taking this action. The background has been that ever since the formation of the Andhra state, the party position has been vacillating. There have been no election, and with the division of the state, the legislature was also divided, and 140 members came away from the Madras legislature and formed the Andhra legislature, and the division between the different political parties was very uneven, and the result was that the government of the day was carrying on with a very slight majority, sometimes a little more, but it was always a very unbalanced thing. Now, sir, in the Andhra state, as you know, the one very big question has been the question of prohibition under the Constitution. Everyone knows that prohibition is a matter of directive principle. The Constitution has given a directive that every state government of the day had enforced prohibition throughout the entire state, and that was inherited by the Andhra government, and in that state today there is complete prohibition. The Andhra government, after the separation, appointment a committee under the chairmanship of Ramamurthy to go into the whole question, make investigation about the actual conditions as to how far the policy has succeeded, and make recommendations. The Ramamurthy committee submitted a big report and made certain recommendations which were, if I may put it that, toward relaxing, if not completely abolishing, this policy of prohibition. We are not concerned here with that particular matter. Now, this report was considered in the Andhra legislature, and a certain resolution was passed in the month of May. On the 27th May 2000, some members were dissatisfied as to the action taken by the government to implement this resolution of the legislature, and notice was given of a motion of no confidence to be moved in October to this effect. Para. Now, after 3 days debate, voting took place on the 6th November, and the total strength of the legislature being 140 really, it is a very surprising thing that 139 members were present in the house, only there was one absentee. Now out of 139, one was the Honorable Speaker and another member remained natural, and 137 member actually voted, and if you add the speaker, actually 139 members were present and 137 voted, and out of 137 the result of the division was 69 in favor of the motion of no confidence and 68 against the motion. The result was that this motion of no confidence was carried by one. The ministry met. They pondered over the situation and the submitted their resignation was, but along with the resignation they also said that having regard to this want to equilibrium and always uncertainty prevailing, it was desirable that there should be a general dissolution so that people and other relevant question that this what they did the submitted their resignation. They have this advice. New sir, the governor was faced with a very difficult situation. He sent for and saw the leaders of different groups. What these gentlemen, apart from meeting the governor and telling him in conversations as to what they thought of the matter, also issued a statement to the press, and these gentlemen stuck to the statement and tendered their advice to the governor to same effect. Para. Sir, we had given notice of a question of privilege yesterday, and I understand that the Andhra bill is coming out before the other house at 5 p.m. today. Sir, our contention was that it amounted to a contempt of this house and breach of privilege because the Lok Sabha Secretariat had issued a notice saying that the Andhra bill would be introduced in that house even before the proclamation had been discussed in and endorsed by this house. The Constitution makes it clear that this proclamation has to be endorsed under certain limitation by both houses of parliament. Now, sir, we feel that the Lok Sabha Secretariat has anticipated the decision of this house. Para. They should have waited till the verdict of this house on the question of proclamation was known to them. Therefore, I submit that this notice has operated to the prejudice of the house as a whole. Full stop. साथियों, कैसा हुआ? अब इसको ट्रांसक्रिप्शन करना है आपको कंप्यूटर पे 40 मिनट्स, फिर चेक करना है कितने वर्ड छूटा कितने नहीं छूटे। और साथियों, मैं ये डिक्टेशन का अपडेट डेली लाता रहूँगा शाम की, आपको डेली लेना है। अभी आपकी एग्ज़ाम अपडेट में है और जिसको बेसिक सीखना है वो आप इसी डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक डाल रखी है हमारी। सुबह 7 बजे से इंग्लिश के बैच स्टार्ट है और वहाँ से आप इंग्लिश सिस्टम में पढ़ सकते हैं। और यह आपको अपडेट मैं डेली देता रहूँगा। और यदि आप चैनल पर नए हो तो कमेंट करो और शेयर करो। थैंक यू।